Hello, my name is Dr. Bernard Yeo. I'm the founder and head researcher of UCM Human Profiling. I would like to extend an invitation to you for our 2-hour free seminar about our new research topic, and that is SmartKids parenting. In this seminar, I'm going to teach you 3 very important things. Number 1, 3 common mistakes parents are likely to make when they are teaching their children how to study. Number 2, how to nurture your child's true self. For example, if your child is born to be an innovator or a developer or an entrepreneur. Number 3, I'm going to teach you how to manage your child's stress level. With these 3 things, you'll be able to unlock your child's true potential so that they can be the best of what they can be. Until then, I hope to see you at the seminar. Thank you.